Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert text to PDF on mobile. So let's get started. To do that, you need an application called Google Docs. You gotta install that if you don't have already on your device. I have it already, so I'm gonna simply click on open and then click on this plus icon at the bottom right. After that, you can choose a template, but if you simply want to type down a text, you gotta click on new document and then give your document a name. So I'm gonna name it test and then click on create. After that, you can type in any text you want. Once done, you're going to click on the three dots at the top right, scroll down, and you'll be able to see an option that says share and export. Click on that, and then you're going to click on print. After that, it's going to say preparing to print, and then you're going to click on this arrow here at the top right. You'll be able to see it says PDF document. That means that your text has successfully been converted to PDF document. Now you can save it to files or send it to anyone you want. So that is how you can convert text to PDF on mobile. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.